Hi guys, and welcome to another YouTube video about MS Excel. So for this video, we are going to discuss how to unlock a protected worksheet. So when we say it's a protected worksheet, we're not talking about a file that you cannot open because the file has a password in the first place. So as you could see, I can still open the file, and it's just that I cannot type anything on the file because I imposed a password in the worksheet by going here, and then you put your password, and then now the cells cannot be edited. So if, for example, you forgot this password, unfortunately, there's no way to reset this password. However, it's not the end. You can still be able to write on the file, but you have to use another program, something that you may actually already have. So I'm going to close that file, and this program or website that I'm talking about is actually a very simple Google Sheets. So you can go to your Google Drive and using your Google account, access a certain folder, and you just have to bring in the file into this folder that you have. So any folder will do. And once the file has been loaded, you can then open this file in Google Sheets. And once you open the file in Google Sheets, you will realize that you can actually edit cells. So the thing is that Google doesn't recognize passwords of worksheets. So that feature is not supported in Google Sheets. Unfortunately, this means that if you're worried about having people access your worksheet and edit the cells, well, they can. You just have to do this. But of course, you want the file to be local, right? You don't want Google Sheets to be the one editing the file. So you just have to download the file and download it as an Excel. And here's the file. So I will open it, and you will see that we have the edited version and the password has been removed from the worksheet. So this technique will only work for worksheets that you protect. But if you're looking for a way to unlock a file protected worksheet, that would be in a different video. And probably that would be a more difficult one because you may need to do some more complicated techniques like using a macro or something. So for now, that's it. I hope you like the video, and I hope you subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.